Here we are on March 16th, Monday, and in this video, we're going to recap last week's price action. Let's start by marking the previous day's high and low. This will serve as our key reference for today's price action. And now, let's mark the daily bearish fair value gap to see if price can trade back into this area. Let's zoom into the 1-hour time frame to get a closer look at the price action. First, we'll mark all the 1-hour fair value gaps to identify key imbalance zones. Now, let's see if price taps into these zones and continues the bearish trend. Price tapped into the 1-hour bearish fair value gap, but since it's outside of trading hours, we'll ignore this move for now. And now, price returns to the 1-hour fair value gap, this time within our trading hours, so this is where we start paying attention for a potential setup. Let's zoom into the 5-minute time frame for a more precise entry. Now, let's identify the 5-minute change in state delivery to spot potential short-term trade setups. The market has created a new high, so let's adjust our change in state of delivery accordingly to reflect the latest structure. Since the 5-minute change in delivery state has been broken to the downside, we can now position a sell limit. Our target for this trade is a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Price easily reached our target. After that, the market retraced back to our entry level, but fortunately, our take profit was hit first. Now, let's zoom out to the 1-hour time frame to prepare for the London session and see if another setup presents itself. There were no valid setups during the London session, so let's move on to the New York session. Let's mark the 1-hour bearish fair value gap. The market invalidated the bearish fair value gap and created a new bullish fair value gap. And now that the New York session has opened, let's see where the market goes. Price has retraced back into our recent 1-hour fair value gap. Let's zoom into the 5-minute time frame to refine our entry. Let's mark the potential 5-minute change in delivery state. Unfortunately, the New York kill zone has ended and no valid setups appeared during this session.